Hey, it's Susan with Empty Nesters and True Crime. I'm missing my partner in crime, Fancy Nancy, because she's off hiking mountains somewhere. Anyway, if you see behind me, the weather looks gloomy. It's been gloomy and dreadful. We've had an uninvited guest, Debbie. Debbie's come to town, and Debbie is just not our favorite person today. But with Debbie in town gave me time to brush up on this week's story, which is a doozy, a real doozy. So much so that I needed a little Espresso Martini. Have you ever known someone to allegedly kill their husband and then write a children's book about it? Well, folks, this woman allegedly killed her husband, because it's a hot case, it's recent, and then wrote about how to cope with the death for her children, when she's the one who allegedly is responsible for his death. Tune in Sunday, 10 a.m. and all will be revealed. Cheers. Stay safe from Debbie, everyone.